What's one nugget you would tell people if they're going to list their house, or even someone going to buy a house? What's just one nugget that you can possibly think of?
Um,
I know we're
that's
not
a good
going near
question.
the busy streets.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
is there anything
Um,
to avoid? I mean, obviously, it's good to get an inspection because then you know what's wrong with the house. But your
yeah,
inspection and the appraisal are two different things, and they're really not the same.
yeah. I think like we talked about seasonal influences. I think if I was a first time home buyer, I'd be looking at duplexes, fourplexes. Just if you don't have kids and you're looking for an investment, I would make sure my first home had income potential. And if I'm buying a single family, I'd be looking for something with a mother-in-law apartment.
I love it.
Because I think down the road you can keep that house. It can be an income generator, and you can move on to because your first home's not going to be your last home,
No,
right?
not at all.
And rents are going up, and I would try to find a property that'll be income producing, and that would be my first purchase if I'm in my late 20s, early 30s. And of course, the first time home buyers these days are 39 years old.
Yeah.
So it
They're
ain't
not
like it
they're
used to
not
be.
21 or 19. Well, and
Yeah.
also just to add to that, Rick, conventional as well as FHA does allow someone to buy a duplex, triplex,
Yep.
fourplex,
Yep.
capped at four, and live in one of the units and consider it a primary residence, and you still get your FHA 3.5% down, and on your conventional 3 to 5% down. So
Yeah,
there's still that
absolutely.
ability to do it.
Yeah, and what I do as an appraiser on those, Craig, is I can provide a rent survey for that basement mother-in-law as long as it meets some criteria.
Right.
You're going to be able to use those rents to qualify for that house.
It's more income, helps them
It's
qualify.
awesome. Yeah,
See,
you
we
just need a
we just solved things right here, Rick. You and I
yeah,
just solved the fact that there is a expense problem for first time home buyers. We just solved that. You just buy a
yeah,
duplex or a fourplex, and we're good.
yeah. Duplex, fourplex, or a mother-in-law apartment, and you're going to qualify easier for that loan. And in 5 years, those rents are going to go up probably 20%.
I love it. I love it. All right, let's see here what kind of music we can have here. Look, I sure appreciate you being here, Rick. It's been amazing. For you guys out there, like, subscribe. This channel is free. It actually has a lot of good information, whether it's title, whether it's mortgage, whether it's real estate, whether it's appraisals, investments, wholesaling. I mean, this channel is designed to help you guys, give you information without obligation. Of course, we'd love for you to reach out to us and have one of us represent you on a transaction. But at the same point, this information is free for you to get educated and make the best decisions. And with that, I think I know what song this is that we're going to play.
Okay.